Honestly, this streaming malarkey would drive you nuts. Need the craziest Wi-Fi. Like my Wi-Fi is pretty good. I tested it earlier, 90 megabytes a second. But yeah, apparently it's not stable enough. So yeah, this says the site isn't secure, but it is HTTPS. I think this is just Chrome's cached it because I went on it earlier when the SSL certificate hadn't generated. So yeah, I just kept the landing page super basic. I think you can put way too much effort into making this really glamorous and fancy. At the moment, we're just trying to communicate the idea simply. So I've put together this like 1 minute video, which just walks through the concept, essentially what I've explained to you guys earlier in the stream. So you can create your group. I've already got an account. I'm just going to use one of my existing accounts. And so now you're in the platform and you can create a new group. So call it the stream. And so there's a little bug here where something's happening in the background. And so you have to refresh to get this up. I need to sort that out. But yeah, then essentially, because I created the group, it's my turn to share. Once you submit, the next person will be activated. And so I can go here. I think this will probably be going into my microphone. So I can say, yeah, lads, this is what I've been up to this month. This is what I've been doing. This is what I've been thinking about. Yada, yada, yada. Yap for 5 minutes or so. And then that's cool. That's my update recorded. I have the option to record it again, to play it through, listen back, or to send it. So if we send it, again, I think, all right, okay. So yeah, now my update is in the feed. And so now I need to invite my friends. So I just go here, I go out to pay. So I'm going to just show you one that I paid on earlier. I hope I did anyway. No, I didn't. All right, cool. We'll pay for this one. I'll just put it over to this other screen. Oh, actually, I do have one. All right. Sorry, I must have clicked on the wrong chat. So yeah, so here's one with 2 team members in it. It's already been paid for. And I can just copy this link. And then if I send that link to somebody, they follow that link, they're going to see this invite. And for me, it's saying I'm already part of the group because I'm already logged in. But if I was logged out, I'd say join the group, take them through sign up. And then they'd come back to this invite, they'd submit a request, and then the requests show up here for the person that is organizing the account is the group owner. And then yeah, it's whenever everyone's turns are split up over the month. So if there's 10 of you, you have 3 days each to do your update. And once you post it, an SMS goes out to everyone to say, Finn's posted an update in the boys. And so, yeah, there's loads of optimization I need to do there. Maybe getting links, like getting some good shareable links into the platform. Yeah, good shareable links so they're easy to send in a short text and people can just click on them, open the platform. But yeah, like the mechanics of everything that we set out to build are already here. And we've got 40 minutes left. So yeah, marketing is going to be short form. I don't necessarily feel like that's the best use of time here. So what I might do, because I know a lot of people on my YouTube are more like in the technical space, so I might just build out some admin functionality for the last half an hour. Yeah, cool. Okay, let's get this closed. Let me just cut to this screen while I get this up. So yeah, what we're building here is the admin side of things so that I can see when new people sign up. Because at the moment it's all just in the database, which is fine. But ideally I don't want to be going and looking in the database every time I want to find something out. So I'm just going to go and change my account role. Oh, there is no role. I can switch this back now. So yeah, what I'll do is go to Better Auth and just remind myself of how they do. I don't want organizations. I don't necessarily need that. I think what we'll do is we'll just add a we'll just add a part to the Prisma schema. So on the user record, you can be a user or an admin. And that'll do it. So annoying. I ate all my snacks in the first like 5 hours. Yes, Odge. Come on, our kid. Mate, you better be ready to take this to the moon with some with some short form content. You know what I was gonna say? Adding user files. Okay, so now in an admin route, we're gonna add a users route. And then this is all going to be like backend. None of this is going to be user facing. So the good thing about that is that we can just use kind of template stuff. So what I'm going to do is just grab a ShadCN table. I'll just grab the docs page. Be like, okay, create a user table. Shows me all the groups and how many updates. So just really thinking out loud there to AI, and I'll let it handle this. It's honestly pretty good at this kind of stuff. Although it does mess up the layout sometimes, but the ShadCN data table component's pretty good, so should get a good output. And then what I'll do while it's doing that is just add a layout here. Export default function, admin layout. That is essentially just like an auth wrapper. And then I'm going to have to get the user from the database because Better Auth won't give me the whole user record through its API. So or will it? Maybe it will. No, it won't. Why is it pretending it might? That's taking us to the moon. Let's go. And Thames has dropped a new album, so you know, life is good. So rugby. Dude, I've literally just put a I'll tell you what it might be. pretty sure when you used to migrate the database on Prisma that it would generate your Prisma client for you, but apparently not. Feel like I need to move or something. I'm so tired. I just realized if I go and look at the sun, it'll mess with my circadian rhythm. So we can't do that either. Should really be here in the dark. Life of a software dev. Just waiting.